This waterway carries all founders to all their dreams. ONPASSIVE is turning nightmares into beautiful dreams. The waterway ends at ONPASSIVE Dreamland. The dreams that founders have, in doing all that is humanly possible, to make this world a better place, will be fulfilled when they reach ONPASSIVE Dreamland. Founders have come together, from all parts of the world to the waterway that only a few have traveled. All founders are on the Dreamboat of ONPASSIVE. It is taking them on this waterway through torrential rains, snow, blizzards, sleet, freezing cold, massive waves, blazing hot weather, and every element of this waterway that could make the Dreamboat take a detour or exit from the waterway. The Dreamboat has stayed the course. There may have been some who might have wanted to get off the Dreamboat because of fear and doubt, because they thought that the Dreamboat could not do the job of getting them to the place called ONPASSIVE Dreamland. Then they started to notice how carefully the Dreamboat was traveling down that waterway to ONPASSIVE Dreamland. They did not see any other ships on that waterway. They wondered, why is that so? Then they saw the reason. No other ship has been built to navigate this waterway to all their dreams but one, the ONPASSIVE Dreamboat. No other Dreamboat has ever cared and loved its passengers like the ONPASSIVE Dreamboat. The Dreamboat is safely getting everyone to that place they love called the Land of Sweet Dreams, ONPASSIVE Dreamland. The Dreamboat will not lose anyone traveling on it. People all over the world are starting to realize that other boats are not taking them to ONPASSIVE Dreamland. They are leaving those ships to come aboard the Dreamboat of ONPASSIVE. The man behind the wheel of the Dreamboat is its maker, Mr. Ash Mufair. Mr. Mufair knew that the ONPASSIVE Dreamboat would take all its passengers to ONPASSIVE Dreamland. The ONPASSIVE Dreamboat is moments away from getting them to their target. Each passenger will soon have all their dreams of taking care, financially of their families, helping the homeless and the hungry, any dreams about everything that they have ever had, will be fulfilled when they reach ONPASSIVE Dreamland. Despite all the things that they faced on that waterway, they are happy that they are trusted the captain Mr. Ash Mufair in the ONPASSIVE Dreamboat. ONPASSIVE Dreamland has turned all our nightmares into beautiful dreams.